Hey everyone, I am Elmarie Gonzales, and today I will be sharing with you a simple yet tasty recipe that I learned from a friend. There are many ways to cook eggs. There is sunny side up, hard-boiled eggs, and scrambled eggs. But today, I will be making a breakfast tacos. Hope you enjoy this simple yet tasty recipe of breakfast tacos. From South Haven, Mississippi, I am Elmarie Gonzales. We live in interesting times.
How'd you like the video? Make sure you leave us a comment down below on what you'd like to see us do next. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media at Digital. See you in the next video.